welcome back to my channel. And yeah, we're in the bathroom. Our relationship has reached new heights. You guys are literally in my bathroom. But as you all can tell by the title, this is my curly hair routine, and this is where it usually starts, in the bathroom. So here I'm just washing my hair. I haven't put any product in it yet, but comment down below and thumbs up if you all dance in the bathroom as well too, guys. So the shampoo that I use is the OGX Argan of Morocco. This stuff is so great. So I only shampoo my roots and I never shampoo my ends, because like I said before, the ends are the weakest part of your hair. So when I shampoo my roots, when I'm rinsing it out, the ends get shampooed as well. So I just put the shampoo in my roots and I just scrub the dirt away. So you see, it's only in the roots and midway through my hair. And also, if you're wondering, my shampoo is sulfate free. Make sure when you're washing out your hair, guys, you wash out all of the shampoo properly before moving to the conditioner. I follow up with the conditioner as well. This is the best part. I love this. And like I say with most things I do with my hair, I start from the ends and work my way to the roots. Always start at the ends, guys. Like I said, the ends are the weakest part of your hair, so it needs the most love. So add the conditioner to where it needs love. Also, don't forget the back, guys. Here I'm making my way to the top. Don't forget the back. The back needs love as well. Again, we start from the ends and make our way to the roots. I always do this whenever I'm adding stuff to my hair. Ends to roots, ends to roots, ends to roots, ends to roots. Same thing I'm doing on the other side. I'm doing to this side, giving the back love as well, raking it through my hair, massaging it. Don't forget the top as well. So when you're applying conditioner, after you've spread it throughout your hair, massage it through your hair. Like, give the conditioner some time in your head. Massage it for a while. Give your head a little head massage while you're in the bathroom as well. I usually leave this for like about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I put my hair up in a bun. But usually sometimes I'm lazy, so I just leave it for 5 minutes and then I continue with my shower. But you can leave it as however long you decide. So here I'm just undoing the bun and I'm dancing again, and then I'm gonna rinse out some of the conditioner, not all, some. So I'm just about to rinse out the conditioner out of my hair. I don't rinse out all. I leave just a little bit. Usually you can leave this conditioner in as a leave-in, but I tend to just leave it as a conditioner and just rinse it out of my hair. You can also use it as a deep conditioner and just add some oils to it and then rinse it out, but today is just conditioner. Now I'm just about to continue with my bath. Well, this is what I usually do. Clearly not today, because I'm showing you all my entire process. So I but always dry my hair with a cotton towel t-shirt, because the fibers in the towel usually wrap around your hair and pull. So a cotton t-shirt usually works very, very well. Okay, so I just leave it like that. Tuck it in the back there and just leave it till I'm ready to comb out my hair. I'm just taking the t-shirt out of my hair and continuing this whole routine. This is my hair without any product. My hair is dry, slightly damp. I just took it out of the t-shirt. So this is what it looks like. If during this process your hair dries out, you can just spritz it with water and go about using your routine and products. I split my hair into 2 parts and tie up one side, and then I put it into 4 sections and I tie up the front, and I don't know, I just start with the back. I guess it's behavior. This is what I do. You all saw this same products I use in my how I moisturize my hair. I used the same 3 steps because my hair was really dry before in that video. So when my hair is really dry, I use the 3 products. Usually I just use one, either the cream and some water, or the oil and some water, depending on how dry your hair is. But on wash days, it's all 3. So here I'm just using the conditioner from roots to ends. You also made the tangle before, but always hold your hair firmly away from the roots and start from the ends and then make your way up. So that causes less tugging on the hair and less breaking and pulling of your hair, if you get what I mean. Because the goal is to untangle without breaking out your hair. Here comes the oils. Like I said, in this oils, I have castor oil, coconut oil, a hair growth oil from Olive Oil is the brand, I think. I have grapeseed oil, avocado oil, olive oil. I know that's a lot of oils. And I think argan oil as well too. Yeah, it's a bunch of oils I just mixed together. They all have different uses, but together they work really well for my hair. That's what I've been using anyways. You can use it individually, you can use whatever you have and make that work, but I like to put all of them together in a mixture. There's no measurement, you can just throw as how much you feel. You can also read up the benefits of what each oil does, so depending on what type of damage you have in your hair, you can determine what more you need. Each oil has different benefits, so you can, you know, do some research, or I can also do a video on that for you guys as well too. I'm using the cream. I use it a lot. I love this cream. It defines my hair so well. It may not define all hair this way, but for my hair type, I am slightly a mixture of all the hair types, because some parts I have 3B, 3C, and in the back sometimes tend to be 4A. So majority of the time it's 3B, but it works really well for my hair. Start from the ends. Again, I start from the ends and then I make my way to the roots. I am raking it through my hair so it can be distributed evenly, because that's the point. This is where the definition comes from, so you want to make sure that every strand at least gets, you know, coated properly. Alright, so now I'm just showing you what it looks like. This is also, if you have like a denim brush, that also works well for definition as well too, but it also causes shrinkage. So if you don't mind shrinkage and you want definition, definitely use one of those. If you prefer length over the definition, well then don't use it, so because it shrinks up your hair like a lot. But now I'm just moving on to the front part of my hair. I'm gonna do the exact same thing: the cream, the leave-in conditioner, the oil, and then the cream, and do the exact same thing I did in the back. So through the front part, I do the exact same process I did in the back. I go in with the cream, the leave-in conditioner, then I go in with the oil, and then I go with the cream. So and then I rake it through my hair. So it's the exact same thing that I'm going to be doing on both sides of my head. And you also made the tangle before. Like I said, from in the back, you hold your hair away from your roots, and then you start at the bottom and make your way to the top. At this point, I like to smoothen my edges on top of my hair, and then I go back in with the back and I loose it out and I put it all together. You can brush the top if you want, if it's a little flyaways. Add product when needs product. If you see a little frizzy patch, you can also add that in, and brush it if you need to, but I don't like to brush it because I don't like shrinkage. And I just rake it through my hair. Also, the back need love. I like to keep the front of my hair smooth, so I just brush it down. I tie it back to the back of my head. I don't tie it tight because I don't like that line in the hair. And then I move on to the other side, do the same thing. I skip through doing the other half because I just did the exact same thing and I don't want this video to be too long. But this is how my hair looks. It's still wet. I just finished putting product on both sides, so this is what my hair looks like when it's wet. It's defined. There are little frizzy parts, but I don't mind. During the second day that tends to curl up, but yeah, this is how it looks. That little part I'm touching right there. Okay, my hair is wet, so real quick while I go diffuse my hair, or you can air dry, so diffuser. Oh, you all thought I had an actual diffuser? No, this right here, you just let me demonstrate. You just put it on with the hair and just let it blow, because air drying takes like all day, probably the next day too. But putting your hair in front of the fan, just like bending down and just without touching, just flipping your hair back and forth, works great. That's my diffuser, I should say. So yeah, try it. If you have curly hair and you want it to dry, like you have an event to go to, or you have to go out or something in a couple of hours, you can just go in front of the fan or just wait for it to dry while you're doing your stuff. But that takes long. Sometimes the roots of your hair, it still is wet, so the fan works really good as well too. So just a little tip while I go finish air drying slash. Alright guys, this is my hair when it's dried, well, air dried, you all know the diffuser, wink wink. This is my hair like 90% dry. Some little parts still kind of wet, but yeah, this is the trying to tune for y'all product. There's a little patches that might be frizzy. I mean, some people are okay with frizz. I mean, if you want, you can just go back in with like a little spray bottle and add a little bit of the cream on your finger and just pass it through that little patchy area right there. And yeah, this is what my hair usually looks like. This first day hair. I like second day hair. First day hair always like but second day hair I usually get like a lot more balls. But yeah, you can put a middle part if you want, or you can just break my neck here, but you can do a little side part action thingy and fix the edges however to suits. This is what I kind of do sometimes when you're tired of the middle part. But I'm digging the middle part right now, so hi guys.